What's good, Nine? What are we doing?
Today is Cybertruck Day. There's tons of colors you could choose from. So because the Cybertruck is so flat, we could actually go one direction with it and it'll look uniform versus like your Murcielago. It probably has so much like 3D stuff where you had some of it going one direction, some of it go another.
Cybertrucks lined up.
Step inside my Cybertruck. Thank you very much. Only been waiting for like 5 years. That's okay though. Step inside. Check it out.
No handles. It's pretty cool.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Can you get a picture of me, like from the front?
Yeah, yeah.
You press the button.
Oh my god.
Hey ladies, how does it feel in here?
Warm.
Warm?
Spacious.
Spacious? Sweet.
Quite cool. Yeah, it smells like new car. New car. Yeah.
Smells like a new car. Look at that Cybertruck.
It's called tailgate.
This is how you open the door. Open it. It's pretty cool. What the heck? Dude. So small.
Smallest mirror for the biggest car.
Smallest mirror, big car. What the heck?
Car's pretty dope, but like, look at this. Just deliver with that. That's crazy. Like, but they said they'll replace the entire panel for free, so I don't know what that's gonna look like. Or do I have to like bring it in to get the panel replaced, and then would it be like discolored? You know, like, we don't know.
Yeah. Overall,
it's dude, sick car. Look at it.
The world's ending tomorrow. Which one would you take?
Is there electricity around? Is there electricity available? If so, I'll take the Cybertruck. If there's no electricity available, I'll take the G-Wagon. Is that fair?
That's fair. That's fair. That's fair. How's the steering feel?
Steer by wire, so it's different. Because you don't need to do multiple turns. It's literally just, this is full turn, and then that's already full turn.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's it. Like, everything's dope, dude. This is magnetic. See it? When it goes in, pops out.
That's pretty sick. Worth the wait?
Yeah. Besides like small stuff, I think this is a price to pay for innovation and technology that like not everything's going to be perfect, and we know that. Even like right here, if you look, there's like a scratch on this. Anything that's out of the norm, they'll let us replace it. And in this mirror, you can't actually see past, because look, the thing is closed, right? Do you remember on the back? The slider thing is closed.
Yeah.
So we just use this right here.
Oh, okay. So that mirror actually does not apply since the thing is closed, right? Look at that wheel turn. Nice.
Yeah, smoke. So.
Uh-oh. Oh, snap. Woo!
Alright, we just finished with the wrap. Take a look. This is brushed stainless steel. All right, it's a wrap over the original. Now, if you guys know, the panels originally, it just gets dirty super fast. Any fingerprints, you'll be able to see it, and it's very hard to maintain. But with the wrap, essentially, it's a protective barrier over the car. And the specific reason why I chose this wrap, because it's the same one I had on my Lamborghini Murcielago. At the same time, we want to carry forward what this car represents, right? This is essentially the closest thing to a spaceship that is a automobile. And with the brushed aluminum, it looks and feels like a bullet. You know, when you're sitting in the car, it looks like a video game. I mean, it just feels like you're sitting inside of a video game console. It's really cool. So this is still part of phase one. We just finished with the wrap. We're still waiting for a bunch of parts to continue to modify the vehicle. Stay tuned. We're going to show you guys what that looks like. We're going to be one of the first people receiving these parts in all of the United States, so it's very exciting. But anyways, stay tuned. Follow us for more content. See you guys soon.
Cybertruck Day!
Cybertruck Day!
Let's go.